बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। रटना नहीं है समझना है। My name is Sajida Raza. I am student of class 4. My school name is Faidan Islamic School System, Hyderabad, Pakistan. Today we are going to learn related elements for all level science commerce group new syllabus mathematics book 3 7th edition chapter number 1 quadratic equations and functions. Exercise 1.1 solving quadratic equations by completing the square. Intermediate level B3 type question. Question number 4. Solve each of the following equations giving your answer correct up to the decimal place. Also the form of quadratic equations are written and the methods. And today we are going to learn the completing the square method. Also the book concepts and the steps are written. So you can see we are going to start this O-level maths book 3. Now, so the first step is divide coefficient of x with 2. Okay. Square it. Okay. Put it on both sides. Okay. So, x square minus 4.8 x plus 2 plus 2 12 upon 5 whole square is equal to 12 upon 5 whole square. So, yep. Now solve and get a plus b whole square formula and a minus b. So, plus 2 will be go there. X square minus 4.8 x plus whole square minus 2. Then we will use a minus b whole square formula. So, x plus 12 upon 5 whole square is equal to 5.76 minus 2. So, we will divide this also and we will do the plus minus. So, x plus 2.4 is equal to 3.76. Now, then take a radical on both sides. Okay. Then make two equations. So this will be cut. So here will come x plus 2 upon 4 is equal to radical 3 minus radical 3.76 x plus 2.4 is equal to radical 3.76. Now, get square root. Okay. So, here will come x plus 2 upon 4 is equal to x plus 2 upon 4 is equal to 1.93 1.9390. Now this will be go there minus 2.4. Then we will do the plus minus. Answer will come x is equal to. Now get 4.339. Now we will do the round off. Answer will become x is equal to 4.339. Okay. Then this. So this will be x plus 2.4 is equal to. We will get square root. So minus 1.93 90, this will be go to x is equal to minus 1.93, 90 minus 2.4. Then minus 2.4, then and 0.461. 0.461. Now we will do the round off. So answer becomes 0. X is equal to 0.46. So I have no space. That's why I want to remove this and I want to write the roots. So answer will become, so roots are 4.339 or 0.46. And this has become our final answer. So the book answers are written, you can check it. 4.339, 4. Oh, sorry. Here will come 34. Now here we will do the round off. So here will come 34. Now 4.34, 4.34, 0.46, 0.46. It's simple mean this is correct. Okay. Thank you. No like, no subscribe, only share.